In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a product link from Gumroad to your website. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see sections such as Products, Sales, Collaborators, and more on the left side of the screen. Now open the Help Center from the bottom left corner and search for the article about integrating Gumroad into websites. Inside the article, you will find instructions for using Gumroad widgets and product links on external websites. Open the widgets page from the link provided in the article. From there, choose the product you want to add to your website. Next, select the overlay or button option you want to use. You can also customize the button text to match your website style. After that, click Copy Embed Code or copy the product link provided. Now go to your website editor and paste the link or embed code where you want the Gumroad product button to appear. Once you save the changes, visitors on your website will be able to open the Gumroad checkout page directly from your product link or button. And that's how to add a Gumroad product link to your website. Thanks for watching and goodbye.